Many people find it challenging to put aside money for the future, especially with rising living costs and unexpected expenses. But don't worry, here's how to fix that. Fast. These smart strategies will help you save money quickly and efficiently. First up, automate your savings. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to ensure you save regularly. Set up your banking app to automatically transfer a portion of your income to a savings account. This can be done weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. This way, you save without even thinking about it. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that works wonders. Next, use the 24-hour rule. This simple trick can prevent impulse purchases that you might regret later. Before you click buy on that online order, give yourself 24 hours to think it over. This cooling off period helps you decide if you really need the item or if it's just a fleeting desire. Chances are you'll realize you don't actually need it. This can save you a significant amount of money over time. Third, cancel those unused subscriptions. Subscriptions can quietly drain your bank account if you're not careful. Go through your bank statement and cut out services you don't use anymore. This includes streaming services, gym memberships, and other recurring charges. You'd be surprised how much that adds up. Every little bit helps. Fourth, cook at home. Eating out or ordering takeout can be convenient, but it's also expensive. Preparing meals yourself is not only healthier but also way cheaper than ordering takeout. Plus, you have control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Plus, you get to show off your culinary skills. It's a win-win situation. Lastly, set no-spend days. This is a powerful way to curb unnecessary spending. Choose a day or two each week where you don't spend any money at all. Use this time to enjoy free activities like reading, hiking, or spending time with loved ones. It's a great way to break needless spending habits. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by simply not spending for a day or two. Small steps, big results. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be difficult. By making a few small changes, you can see significant improvements in your financial health. Subscribe to Finance Daily Fix for more. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you manage your money better.